I'm glad our governor Stitt has opened up, reached out to him, got him here. He couldn't have picked a better place, really.
Would you like one, man? How much are they? Well, right at the moment, we're giving them away.
So I think it's wise to wear it. I am a senior and I want to be protective and I want to be right.
Take your head to the door. Take it at the door right there.
I've never had the flu. I'm pretty dang clean. Never had the flu. If I get it, I think I'll survive. And my wife's concerned. She's 15 years older than me. She didn't come. But, you know, you gotta take a stand sometime, man.
Watch the Lincoln Project. Watch Republicans against Trump.
What's up, guys? Just checking in from Tulsa. We are here. Me and the family came from all over the country, all over the world, really, just to take part. Huge indoor rally, no masks, no social distancing. I mean, tonight could be huge for us, a big comeback, and we need it. So thank you, President Trump and MAGA. Make America gasp for air. All right, peace, guys.